Hello, students. Welcome you once again in the third part of nationalism in India. Right, student? In this part, we are covering the movement for Swaraj in countryside. Right, student? From the cities, this movement spread to the countryside. Peasants and tribal joined this struggle. Right? So we discuss our major peasant movements in Awadh and other major tribal movement in Andhra Pradesh. So peasant movement in Awadh. Baba Ramchandra, who led this movement in Awadh. He returned to India from Fiji, who worked there as an indentured labor. ये जो अवध में नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को बाबा रामचंद्र ने लीड किया, तो ये कैंपेन गांव में रूरल एरियाज में बेसिकली तालुकदार और लैंडलॉर्ड्स के अगेंस्ट थे. दे वर मीडिएटर और दे वर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ ब्रिटिश इन रूरल एरिया. सो peasants were highly dissatisfied from them. Why they are dissatisfied? Because they imposed variety of tax on peasants and charged very high rents. They forced peasants to do bigar. Bigar, work without wages. This is called bigar. So peasant had no right to the land. They could be thrown out if they didn't pay the rent or do bigar. Peasant movement demanded reduction of revenue, abolition of bigar, and social boycott of the landlords. So during this movement, the barbers refused to serve them. Washermen refused to serve them, and this movement became little bit violent also. In 1921, peasant attacked jamidars, their houses of talukdars, merchants were burnt, bazaar were looted, grains were stolen. In many places, rumor spread that Gandhiji had said no taxes were to be paid. The peasant even believed that land would be redistributed among the poor, Swaraj for them, freedom from landlords. So this is the movement led by Baba Ramchandra in Awadh. Sitaram Raju, his full name Alluri Sitaram Raju. He led tribal movement in Gudem Hills of Andhra Pradesh. There he was a strong believer of Mahatma Gandhiji's principle, or he promoted khadi, but he disagreed with the non-violence method. He believed that India could get freedom from the violent way. So tribal movement he led through guerrilla warfare. They hide themselves in the forest and they attacked on the police station. They attacked on police. This way he started movement. So tribal chiefs, the new system was introduced by the British in India. They made forest law. That's why tribal people are highly dissatisfied from them, because they were not allowed to enter with their cattle in the forest. Even they were not allowed to collect the fuel or food from the forest. So they are highly upset from the colonial government. So they wanted freedom from them. Even tribal lost their land, were forced to become agricultural laborer. sharecroppers or rented tenants on their own land. So they wanted freedom from the landlords. So they started this movement under the leadership of Sitaram Raju. But in 1924, Raju was captured, executed, but ever since he has remained in tribal hero, और वो ट्राइबल हीरो बन गए ड्यूरिंग दिस नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. इसी तरह की एक मूवमेंट असम के जो प्लांटेशन वर्कर्स थे उनके बीच में जब उन्होंने सुना कि गांधी जी एक नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट चला रहे हैं, उन्होंने इसका मतलब ये समझा कि जो प्लांटेशन में एज ए वर्कर वर्क कर रहे हैं ये अपने घरों पे लौट जाए, इनको वहाँ ज़मीन मिलेगी खेती करने के लिए. उन्होंने इसका मतलब ये समझा और राइट टू फ्रीडम मूवमेंट बाय द इनलैंड इमिग्रेशन एक्ट of 1859, British didn't allow the plantation worker to go back to their villages without their permission. When they heard about this movement, thousands of villagers started to return their villages without permission from the tea gardens of Assam. But they could not reach to their villages. They were caught by the police at a railway station, or they were brutally beaten by the police people for breaking law, and they could not reach their villages. So this way they responded Gandhiji's call of non-cooperation movement. So these examples of towns, countryside, plantation show how each group responded in this non-cooperation movement. All believed in Swaraj could be the solution of their sufferings, and Gandhiji fixed in their mind and heart Swaraj could solve all their problems, and they decided to fight against British colonial rule along with Gandhiji with their Satyagraha method. Thank you, students.